Greetings to you, ladies and gentlemen. Welcome back to Shexa's YouTube channel. If you are new to this channel, please make sure you subscribe so that you don't miss out any new video that we upload on this channel. If you are a returning viewer, make sure that you like. If you really like the content that I upload on this channel, please share and leave a comment. If you have a suggestion, if you like, or if you have any positive comments about the content that I upload on this YouTube channel. So today we are going to talk about broken headphones. We have these headphones. They are broken into two pieces. So this is the first piece and this is the other piece. And I cannot connect them anywhere because they are broken. And you might have something like this and you'll be wondering how best you can really solve this problem. So what happens is I can actually see that I do have three cables here on the other side, and on this side which is going, this is this part that is going to be connected to the computer. This is the mail jack, and then we have these other cables, and they look like fiber. They are like fiber. So the other part is this one where we have our microphone, if not mistaken. Yes, this is the other part. So this is where these cables are supposed to join, right? So my observation is that I do have, you can see here, I do have these three, and there's a part with blue, there's a part with green, and there's a part with gold and red. So what I'm going to do, I'm going to join these two and let them be one, like that, and then have that as one as well. So we've already joined. And then on the other part I do have these, so you can see, you can observe that there is another cable as well here. Let me put it close to the camera so that you can see there is this part where I can join this blue one, and then that part. So I'm just going to join them like that, and just if I might have a fully functional set of headphones. So that's it, that's what we have, and that's what we're going to do today. So what I'm going to use, I'm going to use this gun. I'm going to join it with power. I do have it with these kind of pins, so I want to plug it onto power. So what I'm going to do, I'll be back in a second. Right, so this is the gun, it's now connected. Unfortunately it doesn't have any light which shows that it's connected, but I will be feeling at this point. If the point is gaining some temperature, then it means we are going somewhere. So let's just wait up until we get to a functional temperature range. Right, so I will be back in a second. Right, welcome back. What we were doing is we were waiting for the gun to actually gain some temperature. I think it's now hot. You can see the smoke. You can see the smoke. I hope you can see the smoke. There's something that is burning on there. Right, so what I'm going to do is I'm going to look for a soldering wire that was connected here. I had it tied on my right hand. I'll have this one. This is the soldering wire that I'm going to use to join these two. So I don't want to burn this right here. So what I'm going to do my desk. So that's what I'm going to use. Alright, so this one is supposed to be connected here. So what I'll do, just cut this wire here, and we'll just align these. So I'm going to turn my camera so that you can see. Okay, this is what I am doing here. So I have that, and I'll bend it like that. Right, connect that. Again, it says that it's being attached to that, and heat is moving to my fingers through the wire. Put it there. Right, you can see that we now have the soldering wire melting on the cables that we want to join. Now we bend it so that it joins the other part that we want to join to. So here we bend it like that. It's done. It's connected. Oh, so much. So I'll be blowing some air so that needs great care. So I have to tie it a bit like this. I have to tie it like that, and then try again. What's happening here? I want to tie it like that, and then right, it's now connected properly, but I think I need some more of this wire on the point. It's disconnected once again. I hope I'm not going to damage my headphones. I hope I'm going to work with them again. So I'm like it's hospital trying to provide some good services to these headphones. We do not afford to have any touch. Right, I think this time we have won. Right, I think this time we've won connecting this green and blue cable. So what is needed now is to connect the other cable, this one, this other cable. We need to connect it there, so we can apply the same screw or the same trick that we have applied before. We just have to twist it and then we can tie it on that point where we want to join it, like that, right? And then we can apply also the wire. Right, so that's what we want. We want to apply the wire there, apply the wire again. Right, so from my point of view, I think we have one. I think these cables are now joined together. So the point now is we are not testing these headphones. So what we test them, what I do is just connect them and put this in there, and then we have this connected to my computer. Depends on this shower for YouTube. Let me play
PDK music.
It's playing, but only one headphone. It's playing, but only one is. Right, so I think we have 50%, but we want to win 100%. It's only one that is playing. So what could be the reason? The reason could be, let me put my headphones away from this pen. I think the problem is that there is another wire that is not properly attached. So we might need to pull it. To have to separate these two wires. If you can see. So this is the wire that is leading to this function or more functioning of my headphones, the other part of my headphones. So let me bring it again. I'm not a professional, so I'm not too professional, so I just do what I can for me to have functional faithfulness. Right. So I think now I've joined these cables properly. Let's test the demo once again. Let's test it. Yes. We have one. We have one. We have one. It's now working. It's now playing properly. Right. Thank you very much for watching this YouTube content. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to test. I need to test my headphones. I need to test my microphone. Whether the microphone is working or not. I need to test my microphone. So to test the microphone, I need to let me just open the blue button and sign in. Alright, so I'm just going to open this, and I'm going to start this and then open my other. So here also say with microphone, allow access to my microphone. I think it has been allowed. Connecting to echo test. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to test these headphones. So I'll say no so that I check the headphones that I'm using. Remove these ones and then say we try connecting to echo test. Right? So I can do that. Let's check here. Microphone arrays. Let me just try that one and then retry. Yeah. Alright, that one's working. Microphone array communications are. So let me plug in headphones and check if the microphone. If I play the sound, I can hardly hear the sound here. So let me retry. Yes, I can hear what I'm saying. So I can click yes. And then stop this compromise. So it's working. It's working. So that's it for today, ladies and gentlemen. Enjoy your day. Goodbye. Don't forget to like, comment, share. I hope I've helped somebody. If it didn't help and you have another solution that can help, or I've helped but you have another solution that you think can help someone, just share in the comment section. Please like, comment, and subscribe. Don't forget to share this content. Goodbye.